Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Apple Bytes. It's going to be a really short one for this one. We're just going to have a look at the control panel on the top right hand side of your screen. If you hold your finger down on the screen and drag down, you'll see the control panel appear. This can be edited from the settings menu, which I'll show you a little bit later, but it's a really handy way of mirroring your iPad on your Apple TV on the board. You can also lock the orientation for the screen, apply the settings for Wi-Fi, etc. Change the brightness, and there's a few nifty little tools at the bottom there that we'll have a look at. Now, normally you can just tap on the icons one at a time and they will turn on those particular functions. But if you want to know a little bit more about each of them, if you hold your finger down for a little bit longer on top of them, you get slightly more information and a more focused view on that particular setting. The one I particularly like at the minute is the timer function. So on the bottom right hand side you've got the little timer which you can drag up and down, and you can mirror this onto your board when you're doing activities with your students so that you can set the timer, and at the end you get a little notification. It also runs out like a traditional egg timer, so you can see the line getting shorter on screen. A nice little tip there for you to add a little bit of pace to your lessons. Now, just looking at the settings section, I'm just going to pause that for now. If you want to change the layout, or if you want to change any of the icons that are there, you'd have to go into your settings and then look at the control center menu, which is the second one down on the left, and then as you can see here you can actually add more or take away certain specific features that you might use more or less often. And that's it for today's Apple Bytes. Hope you enjoyed that episode, and please stay tuned, subscribe and like and share. Thank you.